Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you two easy DIY planter ideas. They are easy and very straightforward. For the very first tutorial, we're making use of the storage bin or storage basket that I copped at Miniso. So the first thing I'm doing is trying to get holes into the base of the storage basket. It's just a very simple procedure. The baskets are made from plastic, so it's easy to just use scissors to cut the base of the basket. So I have like 4 different holes. I just cut off different irregular holes underneath, just so that water can always drain out when I water my plants. Once I finished that cutting the holes, I'm just pretty much repotting the plants. The first thing is to put soil underneath first, then putting the plants and then more soil. It's pretty much a straightforward process, and that's just that about that. So just to add a little bit of texture, I decided to tie a cute little jute rope, tie a bow using jute rope on it, and I really loved how it sort of gave it a nice shape, and it's a really cute planter. You can keep this for yourself, and you can also gift it to a friend that loves plants. And that's it, guys. I really love this DIY, and I also love the fact that it was very easy to make. So moving on swiftly to the next, we're working with jute rope, white rope and glue gun. The first thing we're doing is to take the jute rope around the container. Fun fact about this container is that it was formerly an old vegetable oil container. I used it for an upcycle project earlier on, and now I'm reusing it for this project. So you're taking round the jute rope twice. You're taking it round twice, and then you're following up with the white rope. The thing about the white rope, I wanted to add more texture to the entire planter to give it a more bohemian vibe. So the white ropes are going to be 2 layers, 3 layers, 4 layers, 5 layers, just like that. So I'm making sure that everything is starting and ending at the same point. So as you can see, I'm taking the ropes round and round, layer by layer, just like that. So you can see 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to complete it with the jute rope. Now you have that. We're just going to trim off all the excess ropes at the edge there. So after trimming off, I'm just going to secure it properly with the glue gun or the glue gum. Yes, just securing everything properly, because it still doesn't look so good that way. I'm just going to cover it up using jute rope, just so that it has that, just so that the edge there is covered up and is also well protected. And that's simply all I had to do. Of course, I'm still going to adhere it together with my glue gun. And you guys, all the supplies for this tutorial, I got them from Shop WGM. Be sure to check them out on Instagram, and I'll still link them below, so please check them out and cop all your materials. That's it, guys. I pretty much enjoyed this tutorial very well. I enjoyed because it looks like there's a lot of texture going on here, and it looks very cool, and a lot of people actually like it. It's almost like the style of all the planters I have at home. Once I'm done with this, I'm just going to burn off all the excess threads that come out with jute, and that's it. I'm going to now repot the plant. Fun fact, that yellow part I had to spray paint it because yellow was a little too much, but this, when I spray painted it, I didn't show the procedure, but it was really nice. I painted it white. So here you go, guys. Fun, cute little DIY. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Please like, please give the video a thumbs up and share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.